Triumph TR5 1967–1968. The Triumph TR5 is a sports car built by the Triumph Motor Company in Coventry, England, between August 1967 and September 1968. Visually similar to the TR4, also styled by Michelotto, the TR5 Roadster sported Triumph's much more powerful 2.5-liter straight-six, fitted with Lucas mechanical fuel injection and producing 150 bhp, 110 kilowatts. Price pressures and tighter emissions standards in the US resulted in a much less powerful carbureted version, the TR250, being sold on the North American market. At the time, fuel injection was uncommon in road cars. Triumph claimed in their sales brochure that it was the first British production sports car with petrol injection. Standard equipment included front disc brakes, independent rear suspension, rack and pinion steering and a 4-speed gearbox. Optional extras included overdrive and wire wheels. In 1968 the basic price of the TR5 in the UK was £1,260 including taxes, with wire wheels being another £38, overdrive £60 and a tie cover another £13. The TR5 was available with a Surrey top hardtop, a weather protection system with rigid rear section including the rear window and removable fabric section over the driver and passengers' heads. A curious feature of the TR5/Lucas petrol injection system was the very frequent occurrence of an intermittent power failure when the fuel tank was no more than a quarter full. In order to provide fresh fuel at the distributor, free from overheating, soak, unused fuel was returned to the tank where it entered very close to the high-pressure fuel pump. When the fuel level fell below critical, about 3 gallons, slushing would cause the pump to pick up a slightly aerated mixture which was sent to the fuel distributor. Unused fuel, still aerated, then passed back to the tank and was discharged close to the pump, a proportion of it being picked up and recycled to the distributor. As this cycle was repeated, gradually the volume of air in the pumped fuel reached a level where it began to affect the running of the engine. Adding as little as 1 gallon to the tank seemed to cure the problem. The similarly engineered contemporary saloon overcame this problem with a petrol tank specially designed for the fuel-injected model. This incorporated an anti-slosh cup to ensure that the fuel outlet remained covered with fuel when the tank level was low.